Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yolanda Monique, and I am doing an unboxing. This is my first time ever doing this one. I ended up signing up for Stitch Fix. I saw a promo code for it and I was like, okay, you know what, I've lost some weight, I want to give it a try. And so here's the box, and let's open it up and see. I'm kind of excited, but I'm kind of nervous. So Stitch Fix is kind of like your personal clothing shopper. It's a basically you would pay $20. This is your styling fee, and then you take a quiz and all the questions and different things, and then they will style you, and then based off of your answers, they send you a list of clothing to try. They subtract the $20 styling fee from the total purchase, and if you use a promo code, then you can get an additional $25. I will list my promo code down below. Everyone who signs up for Stitch Fix gets a promo code for, basically you'll get $25 off, and then whoever uses it gets $25 off, so it kind of helps reduce on the price. And then if you like everything, you get a discounted price for purchasing everything. Otherwise, you purchase the clothes at the listed price that they provide. So here's a little thing. I've been watching so many unboxings, I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm really tempted. So it says, oh hello. I think that's just too cute. So they do give you a listing of the different styles, and so my stylist, it says, from my stylist, it says, hello Yolanda Monique, welcome to Stitch Fix. I'm so excited to see your first fix today. One of the best ways that you can help us learn your style is to create a style board on Pinterest and attach it to your profile. I chose the Kurt blue jeans for you as they are skinny, mid-rise style, and you said you like on your profile. They would be great paired with the Daniel Ray navy knit top. I also included the Daniel Ray red floor blouse, which is a fun pop of color. Finish a look with the Melly Blanco olive crossback. I hope that you love your fix. Your feedback on each item can really help us learn more about your style. Enjoy, Evelyn. So Evelyn, I'll definitely be giving you my feedback. So, and then here are the prices. They give you suggestions on your fix, and then the little clothes, and then you get a price breakdown. I'll tell you without going, first let's see what's in here. So here is, you can see the little clothes, and then I see the crossback at the bottom, and then at the very, very bottom, I see the return. So it's pre-labeled to return to them. That's pretty big size. So the very bottom, I see the crossback. It is a hunter green, or excuse me, olive green. So this is the Melly Blanco foam crossbody case. You know what? On my fix, I specifically said I didn't want any cardigans, and I didn't want any jewelry, but I never mentioned purses, and I'm kind of glad I saw this. But I've noticed that this month a lot of people have been getting purses, so I don't know if they're like emphasizing that accessory. This is really cute. So this is what it looks like, and so it's got a lot of compartments to put your phone. You've got one right there, you've got one right there. You can definitely put your little credit card slots inside of there. And oh, it's got a nice little pattern, and then inside of it is a little duster. I'm not gonna lie, I think this is cute as all get out. Now, how much is this? So where did it go? The Melly Blanco Philip foam crossbody olive, $44. I've never paid $44 for a crossbody. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I really like it, and I kind of have an obsession with purses, so I do like this. So let's open up the rest of it here to see, and then I'll have both of these two on hand so we can do a comparison of what they're suggesting. The first thing on the top is this beautiful red blouse, and this is the Daniel Ray. It's a 2X. That is cute. I mean, the color alone, now when I try it, we'll see. But I do love the color. This is gorgeous. And let's see. The Daniel Ray Coda split neck blouse is red, and they're saying that this is $68. And I'm gonna see if I can show you this. This is how they're saying that you should style it. So I could definitely do that. I'm definitely looking forward to this. This is pretty. I was afraid that they're going to pick out clothes that were going to make me look older than what I am, because I was looking at a lot of the fixes, and it's like some of the people that appear to be my age range, I was like, ooh, that's kind of old. That ooh is kind of old. So I actually like that. That, I feel like, looking at it, we'll try it on. It doesn't make me look old. This is blue, and so it has like a sheer netting right here, and it looks like they're either 4-leaf clovers or bow ties. So, and then also the front had a lace pattern and the back had the sheer, so you guys are seeing the lace pattern. And looks like it's a quarter sleeve, nice blue. So here's what they're suggesting to wear for Daniel Crochet net top, and that's $58. Ooh, these are some expensive shirts. Then again, I don't really buy my clothes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Most of my clothes I either get from my family, from a holiday, or from a birthday. Every once in a while I'll stop and purchase something, but I've never spent more than like $30 for a top, maybe. Yeah, so this is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I have a shirt very similar to this. It feels really soft, that navy blue. And then this one, I can definitely see this like just every day. I could probably wear it to work, I don't know. So this is the Balsam button down knit top, and this is $54. Ooh, $54 for this knit top. Interesting. I like the colors, and I can definitely see it. It's long sleeve. I'm thinking about being quarter sleeve. We'll know when I try it on. And then the last item is a pair of skinny jeans. So I guess the purse was the area of focus, or you know, and then this, and this is the toothpick skinny. This is so funny. Kirk Daniels skinny jeans. So this is what it looks like. It says mid-rise, so we will know when I try it on. Skinny jeans. So what I'm going to do is try these on. I'll try the jeans on, and I'll show you the jeans, and then I'll alternate on the shirts. So give me a minute, we'll be right back. So here is the shirt. Yeah, I do have a little bulgy area, but here's the shirt, and here's the side. I like the shirt. I mean, I think the price is a little on the high side, but I do like the shirt. And let me step back, and then you can see the jeans. They're long enough, so that's me and my cute little socks. They're definitely long enough, and they're definitely mid-rise. So yeah, and hold on. They definitely have stretch. This will be my first pair of skinny jeans. So I do know that I'm going to have to wear a belt because I don't have much package in the back. But I think that it makes me look okay. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, because I'm kind of leaning towards go ahead and getting the shirt, because I know eventually I'll wear it. Normally it's 3/4 sleeves, but I pulled it up. It does have a bit of a give, so I like it. It's got the little peekaboo or the key look. So let's try the next shirt. Okay, here is the next one. It's soft as I'll get out. I mean, it's really soft. I could definitely see once I lose a little more weight, it's gonna look really cute. Not that I don't look cute now, but I'm just a little, anyway. I don't have any gaps, so I love that. Yeah, so let me step back so you can see the full look of it. I can definitely see myself wearing this mostly on the weekends. I don't know if I would wear this to work, but here it is. A makeshift corner. So definitely like it. I think it looks really good with the skinny jeans. I mean, like, I probably could wear a more structured bra, which would like give me more lift and probably not have as a little tug. But other than that, I think it looks really nice. Definitely could see this finishing out for the rest of the winter and for the spring. Okay, I saved the best for last. How I envisioned it on me and how it looks is a little different, and I'm going to work on that. But I like it. Definitely could see myself wearing this for work as well as just casual anytime. So here, stepping back, and again, I'm wearing I have to like pull the pants up just a little for the back. But I'm really liking the jeans, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm really feeling the jeans. But the shirt. Focus on the shirt. I like the pattern. I could definitely see this wearing this for work with like black pants for work. And then as I'm losing more and more weight on my weight loss journey, I can definitely see that it would be a little more slim fitting or A-line in my mind. So we'll see if that really happens. But let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, back sitting down at my little makeup vanity, and the total price of everything before discounts was $310, with the most expensive thing being the skinny jeans is $88. One, I have never paid $88 for some skinny jeans. Never. Then again, I don't own skinny jeans, so these are my first pair. That to me is a little high, but I have heard statements from other people that the prices are elevated. So with the discount, if I purchase everything, then my price goes down to $214. I'm leaning towards purchasing everything simply because I need a starting base for style, and I do love the little styling cards, and I can definitely do take some tips from this. So especially with how they show you how to do it casually, and then they'll show you how to do it in a work format. So I definitely like that. Only one I'm not sure how they're trying to do it work is the button down knit. I'm not really sure about that one. I don't think I showed you that one. But I'm encouraged with this, and I definitely like it. I would probably reply back in the next 3 months. I'll do a style every 3 months. No purses unless they have something that looks like Coco Chanel or Louis Vuitton. But I would probably want a mix of pants and tops, not just 3 tops. Now that I have 3 tops, I would definitely want a little more work and casual, but I'm as a starting point, I feel like this is pretty good. So you guys let me know what you think. Which shirt did you like the most? Definitely will list in the description the outfits, so in case you're interested in this. But I do know that for my first fix, I'm actually pretty impressed. The shocker to me was the purse, because I wasn't expecting a purse. I was like, I don't want any cardigans, I don't want any jewelry. And then they gave me this purse, and I was like, I have a lot of purses, so adding one more won't hurt. So I definitely like the purse, and I do not have a crossbody. I have a lot of larger purses, but I don't have a crossbody. So definitely let me know. Let me know what you guys think. And I'm not gonna lie, this was stepping outside my comfort zone. So this is different. This is new, but this is a new year. We're gonna do this. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.